Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to select multiple shapes in Draw.io diagrams. This is an essential skill when working with complex diagrams as it allows you to move, resize, or format several elements at once, saving you tons of time and effort. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to draw.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Start button and click it. This will launch the application and get you ready to work on your diagrams. After clicking Start, you'll be directed to a new tab where the Draw.io workspace opens up. This is where all the magic happens, giving you access to a blank canvas or your existing diagrams. You'll see various tools and options laid out across the interface, ready for you to start creating and editing your diagrams with ease. Now, when it comes to selecting multiple shapes in your diagram, Draw.io offers you two straightforward methods. Each approach has its own advantages depending on what you're trying to accomplish. So, let's walk through both of them. The first method is incredibly simple and works great when you want to select a group of shapes that are close together. Just click and hold your mouse button, then drag across the shapes you want to select. As you drag, you'll notice a selection box appearing on your canvas. Any shapes that fall within this box will be highlighted, indicating they've been selected. This visual feedback makes it easy to see exactly which elements you're working with. This method is perfect for quickly grabbing multiple objects in one sweep. The second option gives you more precision and control, especially when you need to select specific shapes that aren't necessarily grouped together. Here's how it works. Click on any shape to select it first. Then, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and keep it pressed. While holding Control, click on each additional shape you want to add to your selection. Each shape you click will be added to your selection, and you'll see them all highlighted together. This method is incredibly useful when you need to select scattered elements across your diagram without accidentally including shapes you don't want. Both of these selection techniques are fundamental to efficient diagram editing in Draw.io. Whether you're repositioning elements, applying consistent formatting, or grouping objects together, knowing how to select multiple shapes will significantly speed up your workflow. And there you have it, two simple yet powerful ways to select multiple shapes in Draw.io. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.